What's up, guys? In this particular tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a new website where you can use to generate your AI videos using the Grok model. And I'm going to be generating my videos completely for free. And the very funny part of this about it is that it is very easy to navigate once you know your way around it. So immediately I came across this particular website and I tried it out, and the result it gave me was superb. So I decided to let me share this particular website with you guys. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorials. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So to proceed with this tutorial, what you're going to do is to just head to your Google and search for this particular website, this particular AI. Just search for Wavy AI. You'll be seeing this particular one. So this is the one we are going to be making use of. So now we are going to once you're here, you just click on the first one. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So now what you are going to now do is just to click on start now. So once you click on start now, it's going to require you to log in with your Gmail account. When you click on start, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now you can, from here, you can log in using your Google account, as I said, or you can log in using your Figma account or your Microsoft account. So whichever one that suits you, you can make use of it. So I'm going to be using Google for this particular one. So let me just log in to my own account. All right, you can see I've logged into the account. I've logged into my account. So now this is the dashboard. Once you log in, this is where it's going to bring you to. So now from here, what you're going to now do, you can click on any of these create new file. You can see is any one of them, you can just click on it. So now, as for now, I think this website works better if you're using laptop or PC. But because if you're using phone, it kind of give you some kind of difficulty. So let me just click on any of the create new. So let me just click on app and create new. It's going to bring me to another interface. All right, it brings me to this particular side. What I'm going to now do, I'm going to click on just skip. If you want to start the tutorial, you can just what I'm going to skip for now. Now you can see once you log into this particular thing, they're going to be giving 150 credits, and you'll be given this credit every day as long as you log in to the site. That's to this AI tool. So now what you can see from this, if you come over here where you have Toolbox, if you click on it, you'll be seeing all the whole tools you can use on this place. But you can see we have image tools. If you want to do image, you can see all the whole this thing for generation of image. So for this particular tutorial, I already have my image generated. I actually use another different platform to generate my image, so to make the thing easier for me, and I don't want to come and start showing you all the whole process. So because I just want to go ahead with just showing you the video aspects. So now there under the video you can see when you click on this, you will see your video. So you see a lot of tools you make use of here. You can make use of Cadence, Grok, VL3, Sora, you can all lots of them. You can see so if you can't see finding the maybe you can't find Grok right now. I'm seeing my own here, but in case you can't find yours, what you just do is just search for Grok and you will see the Grok you want to do. Whether Grok AI, Grok with it too. So you can just use any one. So since I already have mine is already showing here, I'll just do is just to click on the Grok. So I'm going to click on Grok. So once you click on Grok, just click on it, it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Now, let me show you how to go about it. You need to click on it, hold it, and drag it into this empty space here. So once you do that, it's going to bring Grok here for you. So now you can see how this is now working. So once you bring in Grok, we have Grok here. So now we cannot just start working just like that. We need to now remember we need prompts. We need our prompts, we need our images, and also need so now let's just how do you go and now add your prompt? What you just do is just right click and you see prompts. You are going to click on prompts. You see it's going to be from here you can zoom
click to zoom out or zoom in. So it just depends. So me, I'm going to use my mouse screw to reduce it. So now we can see we have our prompt here. So now we have prompts. We also need image to use. So let me just drag this more. So let me right click again and bring in import. This is it. I'm going to import the image I'm going to be using. So you can see this is it. Then another thing we also, now we have our prompts, we have our image, and we have the Grok model to do the image generation, to do the video generation for us. Then we also need one thing. We also, after generating the image, we need to export. So these are the main three things you will need in here. So ensure all these are available. So you can see ensure all of them are available, because is very, very important. So now what I'm going to now do is to come over to where we have our prompt. I'm going to, first of all, let me quickly just, since this one will take time to load, let me quickly just bring in, once you click here, bring in the image. So this is the image I'm going to be using. So and from there, I'm going to bring in the prompt I will be using to replace what we have here. You can see my image has been added. So let me now put in my prompt. So just select all what we have here, replace it with your prompt. So I just pray it produce for me exactly what I want, as in what is really on my mind. Just pray that's what it will produce for me. So now let me just, from after bringing in your prompt, you have your image already in there. What you need to do, you need to link this stuff up. So now you can see from here you have file. Yeah, you will see this dot. What you need to do, you need to click it and join it with this. So now you're going to click here, drag it and join it with Grok. I don't know if you get me. So now you're going to do the same thing to that of the prompt. You're going to click on prompt, click on it and join it with that of the Grok. Then under the Grok now what we just do, okay, we've now successfully linked the prompt to Grok, we've linked the images to Grok. So Grok can now generate the video. But once Grok generates the video won't be here. You need to export the video to your device. So what you need to do, that is where the output comes. You need to join the Grok to the output. So that is just how it is. So once you've done all this, you can adjust it the way you want. You can adjust it and place it anywhere you want. It's your choice. So once you successfully linked everything up, what you need to do, you can see over here you see something like run model. So once you click, you need to click on this run models. Okay, now once you've done, you can see from this run, before we click on this run, what I'm going to now do, I'm going to now quickly just come over to here. You can see from here I can adjust my duration, I can set my aspect ratio. So let me just note the ISC or do, you can see for you to run this, let me click on it again. Now for you to, total cost is going to cost me 45 credits now to run that. So now you are going to select, you can decide to run for it to produce 2 models. It depends on you, but I'm going to produce just 1 model. Now you can see you can also from here, let me say, okay, for this particular ones, let me increase the duration to 12 seconds, because I think my work info, the info I added to the stuff might will require it to be longer than this. So let me make it, I think 10 seconds should be able to carry what I want to do. So now let me just leave the resolution as this, and aspect ratio you can select, leave it as auto, but let me just quickly just select the specific aspect ratio I use for the image. So now after that, you can see it's going to cost me about 60 credits to generate this particular video for me. So now what I'm going to now do is just to click on run selected, or you can just do it from here. So you can just do run. You can see once you do that, it's going to start generating your videos. You can see the percentage is counting over here. So let's just wait and see what is going to produce for us. So you can see the video has already finished generating. You can see from here, you can click to preview what you've done, so what it generated for you. So if you're okay with the output, you can just click. You can see if you come over here, you see download current. But the way you can export this, once you click on export, you can see once you click on export here, it's going to render. You can see it prompts me to save it, to save this to my device. So I'm going to just click on the location where I want it to be saved onto. So now I'm going to now click on save. Once you can see, once you do that, you want to check your device, you are going to find your, you can see here is the video over here already saved. So that is just how easy this particular website. So you can see it costs, because of the length I chose, it cost me about 60 credits. So I still have 90 credits to still generate more videos. So another the trick, if you want to continue using, is to get more credit to use on this particular website. What you just need to do is to just have multiple, just the way normal way we normally do it. You have multiple emails. So once you exhaust your 150 credits on this on one account, you just need to just switch accounts, log into another account, and you get another 150 credits and make use of it. So once you're done, you say just continue repeating the same process, and always ensure you come back every day to log into the website and claim your 150 credits daily. So that is just how to go about it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.